In this video, we'll go over the 9 steps of the push-enabled distribution workflow required in order to ensure a seamless process. Visit our knowledge base for manufacturer-specific instructions for adding the push module to the camera device. Some of these steps will include the update of network configurations in the camera web UI, adding an on-with administrator user, uploading the push module, and obtaining the registration code. Pre-register the device by heading into the Cameras menu, select your plug-and-play cameras, paste the registration code and fill out the camera name and on-with login credentials. You may pre-register as many camera devices as necessary. The cameras can remain in the register status for as long as is required to get them up and running by the end client. You as the integrator will not be charged for the devices during this period. Create a customer's account by heading into the Customers menu and adding a customer. This step may be skipped if you have already created the appropriate customer in the past. Next, find the registered camera in the Cameras menu and click on it. Select the customer for the camera, as well as assign the desired plan for the camera. Ship the device to the client. The client will set up their device, connecting it to the internet. After a few minutes, the camera will start working automatically. At this point, the client can start viewing and controlling their new camera device. Note: users and roles have to be configured in order to control the camera access permissions. Additionally, various alerts can be set up based on the customer's needs. Please refer to the 3DI knowledge base in order to get more familiar with the system.